Ayan mga vlogs, Sunday morning. Gawa tayo ng espresso. Pero imbis na espresso shot, ginagawa ko ng full coffee. Tapos lagyan ko konting milk, steamed milk. And should be good. No sugar. Ayan mga vlogs, lazy Sunday. Ang ating Sunday. Ganda sanang mag-e-bike kaso parang lugmok yung feeling ko. I mean, lazy Sunday. Pahinga na lang muna tayo. Mamaya mag-drone tayo para may magawa. So ayan, shoutout kay Gemma. Ano siya dito, tourist na pag-usap kami. Nag-ano siya ng kanyang renewal sa kanyang tourist visa. Tinanong ko siya kung may mga ano siya, maraming 2 months na ata siya naghihintay ng kanyang renewal, something like that, no? So yan, at marami atang pinaprocess ang IRCC ngayon dahil nga sa close to 1 million ang dumating international students, tourist visas, mga foreign worker ang mga dumating last year 2023 dito sa Canada na as a whole. So yung mga nagre-renew ng kanilang extension ay na-delay. So at saka I don't know kung related din sa tax season ngayon kasi iba naman ang immigration sa CRA, so but nevertheless they're the Canadian government still. Yan, so yung mga nangangarap na makakuha ng LAMIA to, like from tourist to LAMIA, mga graduate ng student programs sa college, university, ayan, dami nilang I guess pinoproblema or kailangang harapin dahil sa naghihigpit na nga ang Canadian government ngayon. PGWP, ewan ko paano kailangan ba ng IELTS, tsaka yung sa mga tourist na makakuha ng trying to get LAMIA, kailangan ba ng IELTS nun pagka nag-apply na ng PR, right? Pero kung LAMIA lang, I don't think may IELTS, work permit. So yung mga tourist tsaka student na nag-iigpitan na, ang dami ng news na nakita sa Omni News na nakaplano na tapos biglang nang nag-iba na yung programa ng Canadian government, nag-back out na rin sila dahil syempre ang balak mo dun is talagang magkaroon ng permanent resident tsaka dito sa Canada. Yun ang kaya nagpupuntahan dito, nagbabalak tsaka makakuha ng trabaho, di ba? So yan, kapit lang at tsaka huwag mawala ng pag-asa. Yan mga vlogs, ito tayo Sunday afternoon. Yung si Haring Araw nakatago ng clouds, hindi siya blue sky pero nevertheless walang snow, kaya ayos lang yan. Hintayin natin magka-landing si Haring Drone. Ayan, si Mr. Atom. Ayan. Ayos. Okay. Tapos sa control, yan na muna yung record. Patayin ko. Yan, lower. Wala na ano sa siya, 12% yung battery. So yan ako rito. Download ko yun. Download ko yung mga footage. Yan, download ko na yung mga photo, video nila. Ano yung mga ilan lang. Ito. Yan. Tapos dito ko na i-edit sa sa phone din. Yan, ginagamit ko pala yung iPhone Pro Max 11. iPhone 11 Pro Max 256 gig. Yan mga vlogs, ang ating nabili sa Costco 357.17. Yan. Dami pen. Nailagay ko na sa fridge yung iba. Itong chicken thighs 2506, 849 per kilogram. Bali 2.95 kilogram siya. Whole black cod. Na subukan ko siya kasi sabi masarap daw to eh. Masarap sa yung ano, natikman ko na yung fish and chips, pero ito yung tunay pala niya itsura. Ignorante, no? Mga vlogs, 3 tilapia at saka 2 black cod inihaw natin. Yan, inaslan ko lang yan eh. Meron na kanina. Yan, nagdagan ko lang. Yan mga vlogs. Mga madurog. Hindi siya nagano rito. Palitan ng ano. Palitan to. Mga ka-vlog. Bakit dito sa side na to eh mapoy. Ayan. Couple minutes pa. Yan mga ka-vlogs, ito yung industry dito sa North BC. Dito Canfor sawmill ba to? Pulp mill. Just can't I don't know the difference. Pulp is yung bubo, saw is yung sawdust, I guess. Ayan mga vlogs, ang ating springtime. It's still I don't know, it's snow or hail. But yan minsan malilit na hail yan eh. Yan. Parang styrofoam na malilit. Yan. May Corvette dito naka-park. So what happened? Show off. Yan na naman mga vlogs, ang little hail dito sa Canada. Mga styrofoam na malilit. Yan mga vlogs, bigla na lang lumabas ang driver assist. Siguro naharangan yung pagkaganyan na, siguro naharangan yung nasa harap, yung radar. Parang square na radar kasi sense yung mga snow siguro. Ayan, natin naman nag-ano pa rin, pa rin hail, palilit na hail. Ayan mga vlogs, nandito tayo sa hospital, kuha tayo ng dugo. Yun yung ano nila dito, physical exam eh.
kuha ng dugo. Nagtawag na tayo ng appointment, pero yan, gusto nila 10 minutes before sa ako pumunta para hindi mag-crowd up. Ay mga vlogs, magsabi lang ako sa inyo na after April 30 yung pag-process ng fee for IRCC immigration fee is going to increase. So from $500 for right of permanent residence fee, after April 30 magiging $515. So applicants is principal applicants and accompanying spouse or common law partner. Yan. So I guess this is part of inflation of lahat tumataas. So Federal High Skilled Provincial Nominee Program and Quebec Skilled Workers, Atlantic Immigration Class and Most Economic Pilots Rural Agri-Food, principal applicant from $825, now it's $850. So from that category, accompanying spouse or common law partners also $825 on current, and magiging $850, right? So $25 increase. So from yung accompanying dependent naman is from $225, it's $230, right? So that's effective April 30th, 2024. So live-in caregiver programs and caregiver pilots, home child provider pilot and home support worker pilot. I don't know, ang dami nagsasabi inalis na raw tong program na to, no? But it's at $550 for the current fee for applicant, and then it becomes $570. And so same as accompanying spouse or common law partner, $550 to $570. Accompanying dependent is from $150 a child, and $150 current. After April 30 it's $155. So business, federal, and Quebec, principal applicant, I guess a business investor visa, from $1,575, so $1,575 to $1,625 up after April 30. So a spouse is $825 currently, and now it's $850 after April 30, and the child is $225, and after April 30 it's $230. So one other thing is family reunification, spouses, partners, and children, parents and grandparents, and other relatives. Sponsorship fee, yun lang ang hindi nagiba, from $75 currently. After April 30 it's still $75. Good. So sponsored principal applicant, yung bayad nung in-applyan, say ako in-applyan ko yung, kunwari may girlfriend ako sa Pinas ngayon, and $475 dati. After April 30, I guess this is same as the spousal visa, right? It's $490 after that. So sponsored dependent child is $75. Hindi nagiba, $75 pa rin after April 30. Accompanying spouse or common law partner, nung inisponsoran mo, right? So it's $550, and then after April 30 is $570. So the child nung inisponsoran mo is $150, after April 30 is $155. So yan. Principal applicant, may protected persons, I guess this is the asylum seekers, from $550 to $570 after April 30. Yung spouse is $550, $570 after April 30. So child also is $150, $155 after April 30. Ayan, meron ding humanitarian and compassion. 550 principal applicant, magiging 570. Same thing as accompanying spouse or common law partner, 550 to 570. Accompanying dependent, 150 to 155. So permit holders, this to yung mga student permit. From principal applicant, for principal applicant, it's 325 yung bayad sa permit fee, no, application fee. It's gonna be 335 after April 30. So yun yung mga pagbabago sa mga ating IRCC ng immigration. IRCC means immigration, refugee, something, right? So yan, basta Canada immigration fee, yun mga kags. So yun mga pagbabago, at